Today, we will have another example of our orthographic drawing. Say for example, this is our figure. This is our isometric drawing. As you can see, it has dimensions with it. The width is equivalent to 60. The height is equal to 60 millimeters. The depth is equal to 60 as well. And the height of this is half of the 60, which is 30 millimeters. And half also is 30 millimeters. Now we will make the three main views of this isometric drawing. We will construct the orthographic drawing here in our paper. Let us begin. To start with, you need your horizontal axis. Using my T-square, I will make a horizontal axis here. And after that, using my 45 degree by 90 degree triangle, I will make the vertical axis. So I will position my triangle here and I will make my vertical axis going there. There you have it, our vertical and horizontal axis. Now the next thing you want to do is to put our projection line. Our projection line will be from here in the midpoint or the intersection, going here using our 45 degree triangle. Now the next thing you want to do is to put spaces in our vertical axis and in our horizontal axis. I will put 10 millimeters on both sides. And also put your space here 10 millimeters here. Ten millimeters below your horizontal line, 10 millimeters above your horizontal line. And there you have it. We have 10 millimeters here, 10 millimeters to the left. Same as with here, 10 millimeters above, 10 millimeters below. Now the next thing we want to do is to label our orthographic drawings. We will label our three main views. First thing is our front view. Our front view will be on this side. and our side view will be in this side. And of course, our top view will be at the bottom part. Now let us proceed with our orthographic drawing. First thing is determine the height of your isometric drawing. So from this side, from this corner, going up is 60 millimeters. Again, from this corner, going up is 60 millimeters. Now, where should I put that? From here, in this corner, you should measure 60 millimeters going up. We start from 0. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 millimeters. I will mark my 60 millimeters here. And then determine the width of your isometric drawing. From here up to here is 60 millimeters as well. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then what I want to do is to project all these points going up and horizontal. Remember to use light lines only. Light lines only. Now we need this 30 width or measurement here from this top. So we will begin from here going to the side. Again, that is 30 millimeters. 0, 1, 2, and 3. I will mark my 30 here. And then make a light line only. And then the next thing you want to do is to determine this height, which is 30 millimeters. From here up to here. So that will be from here up to somewhere here. Let's measure 30 millimeters. That is 0, 1, 2, and 3 centimeter is equal to 30 millimeters. Now I have to make a light line here. There you have it. Now we can make our visible line now. All you have to do is to trace your guidelines or light lines. From here, that is 60 millimeters. From here, that is 30 millimeters. And also on the top, that is 30 millimeters. And then using your triangle, make the vertical lines. there you have it, our front view. As you can see, this is the same as with our front view here. Next thing is our top view. In drawing our top view, all you have to do is to project all the vertical lines from our front view going down to our top view. Again, project all the vertical lines from our front view down to our top view. Vertical lines from front view to top view. Let's do it. Again, I am using light lines only. Light lines only. And then the next thing we want to do is to determine this measurement or the length of our top view. Now to determine our top view here, we have the measurement here, which is 60 millimeters. So from here up to here in this corner, that is 60 millimeters. In our orthographic drawing, that is from this corner going down, which is 60 millimeters. Let's do it. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 millimeters. So I will mark my 60 millimeters here. From here up to here is 60 millimeters. Now the next thing we want to do is to determine the width of our top view. From our isometric drawing, we can see that this is half of 60, which is 30 millimeters. And automatically, this will be 30 millimeters as well. So from here up to here, that is 60 millimeters. And half of it is 30 millimeters. Now our top view is already done. Let's make visible lines out of our top view. There you have it, our top view. Now the next thing we want to do is our side view. Again, in making our side view, all you have to do is to extend the lines, specifically horizontal lines from our front view going to the side. Horizontal lines extend going to the side. Horizontal line extend going to the side. And our top view, from our top view to the projection line, going up. Horizontal line from our top view to the projection line and then going up. Let's do it. Let's start with our front view. Project or extend. Light lines only. Project, extend. Light lines only. Extend. And now, from our top view, going to the projection line. Extend. Extend. Using light lines only. Now I want to project all the lines from our projection line going up to our side view using our triangle. So from here, extend, going up. From here, extend, going up. Now our side view is done. All we have to do is to make visible lines. From here, going there. Here, up to here. And on top, from this corner up to this corner. Using our triangle, make vertical lines. From this corner, going up, and this corner, going up. Now we have our three main views: the front view, the top view, and the side view. Next thing we want to do is to make dimensions. First, I will put dimensions in our front view. All you have to do is to extend these lines, going here, these lines are called extension lines. They are used to put dimensions or to put limits to your dimensions. Then the next thing you want to do is to put dimension lines. So from here up to this line. The next thing you want to do is to put arrowheads. Arrowheads give us indication where to start and to finish the dimensions. And then the next thing you want to do is to put the dimensions itself. So this will be 30 millimeters. And this is 30 millimeters. Next, let's put dimensions to our top view. From here, let's put the extension lines. And from here, let's put extension lines. And the next is the dimension lines. From this point up to this point. arrowheads, arrowheads. And then this would become 60 millimeters. Now let's put dimensions in our side view. Again, let's put the extension lines here. And here as well. And then again, let's put the dimension lines. Arrowheads. And of course, our dimension. This is 30. And this is 30. We will have a separate topic or lesson for putting the dimensions. But for now, we will focus more on the orthographic drawing and isometric drawing. There you have it, our three main views or our orthographic drawing. The front view, the top view, and the side view.